For today, I would like to discuss the potential consequences, uh, the increased atmospheric CO2 levels, and purpose strategies to reduce carbon emission and enhance carbon cycle. So first, uh, potential consequences of increased atmospheric CO2 levels. So higher CO2 levels trap uh, more heat in the atmosphere, leading to increased global temperatures and climate change. And then, more frequent and severe heat waves, drought, storms, and floods, mga bagyo-bagyo like that. And then, melting glaciers and ice sheet contribute to rising sea levels, treating coastal ecosystem and human settlement. Increased CO2 absorbed by ocean leads to acidification, harming marine life, especially coral reef and shellfish. Then, changes temperature and precipitation patterns can reduce crop yields and affect food security. So, ang kaniya siya diri is kanang makuan bitaw ang sa mga climate change, ang sa mga weather, like ang first ano sa katong sa global warming, ang katong sa katong mga climate change, then sa extreme weather events, so katong na mga storms, mga floods, mga any kind of ganang mga panghitabo. And then sa katong kuan dayon, next is the strategies to reduce carbon emissions. So invest in solar, wind, and other lower carbon energy sources to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. And then improve insulation, use efficient appliances to optimize industrial process to reduce energy consumption. For the sa electrify ko naman, transportation is promote electric vehicles and public transportation to reduce emission from transportation. Then, implement technologies that capture CO2 emission from power plants and industrial process, storing them underground. And then, implement practices like agroforestry, and sustainable agriculture to sequester carbon dioxide. And next, arita sa enhance carbon cycle strategies. So, plant trees and restore forests to absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. So, if magputuli ka sunod ni mutamnan o balik mo daw para siya dili siya makuan. And then, implement practices like no-field farming, cover cropping, and organic amendments to increase soil carbon storage. Next is protect and restore coastal ecosystem like mangroves, salt, marshes, and seagrasses that sequester significant amount of carbon. And then, produce energy from biomass and capture the CO2 emission, storing it underground. Lastly, explore technologies that convert CO2 into stable solid minerals through chemical reaction, mimicking natural process. So, and overall, implement carbon taxes or cap and trade system to provide economic incentive for reducing emission. That's all.